What is going on, bulls and bears? Super crypto. We're going to do a quick TA on Solana. So, a couple indicators I want to talk about. The DXY, in my opinion, looks like it's beginning to start swinging up. I've been seeing this a little bit. Then it may start swinging up, like a reversal's coming for the DXY. Total crypto market cap. Couple indicators I'm looking at. In order for the bullish scenario to play out, we need to hold either at neutral on the RSI or above neutral on the RSI. And if we do, we need to push above 1.2 and then start heading towards 1.284 trillion dollars, obviously to break a new high. Until I start seeing that, I can't really. I can't, yeah, I can't really call that scenario, but that would be the bullish scenario. Um, what I'm kind of leaning towards based off the DXY and what I'm seeing with a lot of the charts and the volatility, I'm leaning more towards downside based off those indicators, right? So I'm paying attention to 1.05 trillion, 1.03 trillion dollars. That's pretty much what I'm looking at. So if RSI reaches the oversold state, I think it's going to be around there. Now, back to Solana, because every crypto is different. Solana and AVAX looks very similar. They still have more potential to push up, at least on the 4 hour. So if I was to call the bullish scenario for that, pay attention to 2269, 2352, and then 2483. If we do go beyond 2483, I think it would be a hard push up. Like we're going to encounter major resistance around 2483. And then ultimately, I was looking for this target to be tagged, which is 2794, and we still haven't necessarily done that yet. But that's ultimately the target I'm looking at is 2794. But I'm not going to call these other targets quite yet. On the day, because of what's at play with the rest of the market, that's what's making me lean a little bit more on the bearish side. Uh, yeah, because if the rest of the market dumps and basically a lot of money flows out of the market and we start heading towards 1.05 trillion dollars, I think a lot of the altcoins are the ones that are going to take the biggest hit. That's my only concern. So in any case, if you are bearish from this point, pay attention to 2178, 2116, $20.27, 1910. I think RSI is going to reach the oversold state on the day somewhere between 1830 and 1624. I know that's a big target, but that's based off the scenario of this dumping all the way down here. So that's why I have these marked out, because I think Solana may take, I think a lot of the altcoins may take a huge hit. If that does happen on a drastic fashion, like if a lot of money just starts flowing out, I think it may cause a panic, right? But we'll see. We'll see. Yeah. Outside of that, be sure to trade safe, trade smart, and don't forget, we're all in this together. Peace.